What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can invest on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are looking into investing into crypto assets, I will leave my Binance referral link in the description below, through which you will also get $50 once you sign up. And now let's continue. So to start investing on the Revolut app, specifically into stocks and other related financial assets, you would first need to go to the Invest tab right here. Now in the Invest tab, if you just scroll down a bit more, you would be able to see the product section. So Revolut offers stocks, bonds, commodities, and CDFs. So these are the financial assets in which you would be able to invest once you open your Revolut brokerage account or your Revolut Invest account. If you guys didn't open your Revolut Invest account already, I will leave a setup link in the upper right corner. And I will also link that video at the end of this video. But once you set up your Revolut Invest account, you will be able to scroll down and select whichever asset you would like to purchase. So for example, let's say that we want to purchase a stock. Then I will select a stock. Now select a specific stock, so let's say Nvidia. And to purchase an Nvidia stock, you would just need to tap on buy and then input the dollar amount which you would like to exchange for the set amount of Nvidia shares. So let's say $10, then you will get 0.09 Nvidia shares. Once you have this set, you can just click review to review this order. Now the order review screen will load, so here you can see your order in a bit more detail. So if everything looks alright to you, you can go ahead and submit this order, which is a normal market spot order. So it will be completed as soon as possible. Or if you're placing this order once the market is closed, it will be completed as soon as the market opens up. Now, once you place the order and it's completed, you will be able to see it in your portfolio section right here on the default Invest tab. So the same goes with any other financial assets such as bonds or commodities. So for commodities, let's say you open the commodities app or the commodities section of the app, you select the commodity that you would like to invest to. So let's say gold, then you tap on buy, and here the deal is the same. So you input the amount of gold that you would like to purchase in the euro amount, you click review, and here you review your order. So for each type of the financial asset, the fee differs. So for bonds and commodities, there is a flat €1 fee. Now for stocks, if I'm not mistaken, it's completely free. So again, once you submit the order, it will be completed as soon as possible. From there, you will be able to see your commodities again on the Invest section of the app. And that's guys essentially how you can invest on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.